Jackie! And I am here with another video. I decided I wanted to give these Colormates another shot. So today, that's what I did. I gave this palette another shot, and I can't say I hate the look I made this time. I actually like the look I made this time. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Hello. Okay, today I want to play with some more Colormates because I am like super intrigued by these like minty green colors. So I want to play with those. So yes, that's what I'm going to do today. I have already prepped my eyes with Shape Tape and a loose setting powder. And I think I'm going to go in with this bronzer as a transition shade because there's really no transition shades in this. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that bronzer and put that in our crease as a transition shade. Any bronzer you have that's like a lighter bronzer will work for a transition shade. Doesn't have to be this one. Any one will work. You can even use like a brown shadow, like a nude shadow as a transition. They just don't have a transition shade in the Colormates palette. So, had to find one elsewhere. Okay, so now that we have done that, I'm gonna go into this middle, this bottom one, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Oh my goodness, cross your fingers for me this doesn't turn out like the last time. Even though a lot of people like that look, I thought it was terrible. All right. Just want to kind of take your time, build it up. These aren't super pigmented, so you're gonna have to do some building. So just take some time and do that. I feel bad for people who have to like get up and hurry up and get ready and go to work and don't have time to play with their makeup looks every day. They do like just their go-to look and they're out the door like every day. Never get a chance to really play around. Playing with makeup is fun. You get to see like with some certain colors help your eyes pop, you know. You just gotta experiment and it's a lot of fun. Not only are you like transforming yourself, but like you're discovering that you are talented enough to do so. And then once you realize, wow, I can do this, then you start playing with all kinds of different looks, and it's just so much fun. Yeah, there's a little bit of fallout, but that's why I didn't do the rest of my face first. Okay, now we're going to get a smaller crease brush, and we're going to go into this middle darker green, and we're going to put that in the outer corner. Chances are, we're going to have to find a way to deepen that, because I have a feeling it's not going to be very dark. Why is these like not as pigmented? The orange one did the same thing. Maybe it's the brush I'm using. Maybe I'll change out the brush. Yeah, because that's not doing shit. So let's change out to a flat eyeshadow brush and try patting it on. Do you see it? I don't see it. Maybe a hint. Okay, I think we've come to the conclusion that color's not gonna. These, so far the only colors I've really ran into problems with are these two in the middle, the green and the orange. So we improvise. Can't talk today. Can I just say that I'm loving my hair, and I wish my hair did this on its own every day. This is totally giving me Stephanie Tom's vibes. You know Stephanie Tom's? Her hair, she chopped it, and her hair is wavy like this. And, oh, badass. Okay, back to the makeup. Getting a little carried away. I think I'm going to try to go into this deep purple right there in the middle, and maybe that will help darken it. Take another brush. I know it's not green, but does the whole thing have to be green? No. No, it does not. Okay, well there's that. I look like somebody punched me in the face. Look at all this fallout. That's okay. We will take care of that later. Okay. So now I'm going to get a flat, wet brush. A little one. We're going to go into that super minty green, but we're gonna wet this because we all know that's not gonna work if we don't. Here we go. Ooh, it's a nice icy mint color. Okay, let's see if we can use our finger to kind of top that off even more. Woo! Yeah! I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So now I'm going to go in with another color. And I'm just going to put it in between the green and that purple. And it's this shifty purple gray. I don't know what it's going to look like. We're playing today, so... Well, I play every day because, let's face it, I never know exactly what I'm going to do. So it's that color right there. So we're going to go in between and we're going to see how that looks. Wet the brush. Creates a nice gradient from the green to that purple. I kind of like it. Okay, now we're going to go back into that purple. Define that outer corner a little more. Okay, we're going to go back into that green right there. And put a little more of that into the crease. Yeah. Blending brush. Blend the edges. Real lightly. You don't want to blend it away. Shadows blend away easily. We gotta fix this craziness right here. Oh, much better. Okay, let's do the bottom lash. What are we gonna do for the bottom lash, folks? I think we're gonna do that crease green. Then we're gonna do that purple on the outer corner. Then on the inner corner, I'm just gonna take this brush, put it in that lid shade. Don't wet it, just kind of dust a dry lid shade in the inner corner. Let's do eyeliner. I got shadow in my eyes. Now my eyes are like super dry. I need smaller brushes to go under my eyes with. I'm gonna do the cream. Liner underneath with what? Angled brush. Let's get a Q-tip. Only on the outer third. I don't like my eyes to look too closed off. Okay, so I'm going to hop off, apply lashes, fix the under eye, what is it called? Fallout, thank you. And finish my face and I'll be back. Can you guys hear that wind? It's crazy today. It's like super windy out. Okay, so we need to put on a lip, and I'm gonna use this Bear to Comment Wet n Wild gel lip liner with this Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the color Rebel Rose. So let's put it on. I use this one all the time. I should really like get a backup. So I overline my lips and I never ever do that, and I don't know how I like it. So I don't know if you notice, I have a lot of lines around my lips. You know, from when I was a smoker. So, I don't know. Let's see. I can't do it. I can't overline my lips. I look ridiculous. Does this look ridiculous? Like, I can tell where my lip is. What do you people think? Leave a comment and let me know. Do you think overlining works for me or doesn't? I need that liner again. Oh, that's not it. Ugh. I feel stupid. I don't know, guys. We're gonna have to, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. But in the meantime, I'm totally taking this off. Let's try it the regular way. Okay. So that's how I normally do my lips. You let me know in the comments. Do you think I can get away with overlining my lips, or do I look ridiculous because I have such a small face? Let me know your opinion. Okie dokie. So this is the final look. I feel like my lighting is just not right. I don't know what's going on. So this is the final look. Do you like it? I don't think it turned out that bad. I was a little nervous at the beginning when the greens were giving me some issues. But overall, I kind of like it. I like a minty, icy eye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Hello. What you waiting for? We have fun here. And there's more to say, and I can't think of what it is. Oh, hit the bell to become part of the notification nation. And head on over to my Facebook page where I will do lives, and there's sneak peeks of future looks, past looks, and maybe I'll do some surveys, Q&As, all that fun stuff. So there's a link in the description box. Head on over there, like the page, and we'll have some fun over there as well. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stay tuned for future videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.